Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house where you're always welcome. And today we're going through our morning routine where teamwork makes the dream work. Turn on kitchen. So this week kicks off standardized testing for our grandchildren. So I'm up pretty early because I want to get them a good breakfast, and of course I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to bake some muffins. These are the mixed berry muffins, and they're really easy, and here's the recipe. The recipe calls for 2 cups of flour, but I substituted 1/4 of my cup of flour with 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed for more fiber. Now that the muffins are in the oven, it's time to make me and Pepaw some coffee. We have all kinds of coffee pots, but we prefer the French press, and that's what I'm going to make us today, while Pepaw is back helping Noah get his shower and get his clothes on. Okay, so Pepaw and I tag team in the kitchen in the morning. He does lunch, I do breakfast. Here he is, getting lunch together. Okay, so while Peepaw's fixing lunch, I am going to give Noah his seizure medication. We don't want any seizures in this house. So Noah wanted to add some grapes to his lunchbox, so we're going to help him get some grapes to put in his lunch. Now back to the coffee. Me and Pepaw have what we call coffee time in the morning. Once the children are settled and eating their breakfast and are dressed, we're able to sit down and have a few moments, just me and him, to talk about what's going on with the day and what we need to accomplish for our family. And that is always a good start to our day. Coffee time. And the children know not to bother Memaw and Pepaw when coffee time is going on. This recipe doesn't make for a toasty brown muffin, but it makes for a very tasty muffin. So I'm going to brush a little bit of butter on, softened butter on each of the muffins, and that adds to that flavor. I've let the muffins cool just a little bit in the pan, and I am going to now pull them out, put them in a bowl so that I can put that on the table, and the children can grab one and have a glass of milk or some hot chocolate or something to go with it. Everyone is ready to go. Peyton's ready to go. Noah's ready to go. Teeth are brushed, hair is combed, and Pepaw always walks Peyton up to the bus stop. She's the baby of our grandchildren, and I think Pepaw does baby her just a little bit. That's between me and you. Now it's Noah's turn to get out to the bus. Now we let Noah walk up to the bus stop, which is at the end of our driveway, on his own because we want him to have that independence. We don't want him to feel like we're trying to baby him or do too much. And I think he likes having that independence to get up to the bus stop on his own. Now it's time for our big girl to get out of here and head out. She, like Noah, walks up to the end of the driveway alone, but Memaw is standing close by to make sure everything is okay. I forgot to tell you guys, we're so excited. She made the cheerleading squad for her junior high school for next year. We're so proud of her. She worked so hard. Okay, so everybody has taken off. Peepaw's at work. Memaw's grabbing her coffee, headed to the office. We've gotten the kids ready and dressed, and everybody has gotten off to a good start. Thank y'all for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be blessed.